Welcome friends. In this daily technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. For more informative content and very useful information, links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to open Binance Exchange account and other exchanges account, links are in this video's description. This is the Binance Exchange link. This is KuCoin Exchange link. Just click on these links and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds. Let's focus to the content. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that there is a strong resistance was at 37,500 to $37,900. And how beautifully Bitcoin break this resistance, and now Bitcoin is at $38,960. Bitcoin hit $39,480, and after that there is some correction, and after Bitcoin is at $38,947. Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance successfully according to the support and resistance based. Our first target be like this. Let me please show you. Our first target will be $40,500 to $40,700, like this. In my yesterday's video, I was set this target, $39,900, and Bitcoin is ready to hit this target. I was told you that Bitcoin was in this ascending channel, and Bitcoin is still in this ascending channel, and the upper trend line of this ascending channel, once Bitcoin goes to hit this, in that case it will hit $40,200. But our target will our first target is $40,600, or you can say $40,700, and our second target will be this zone, $42,000. Let me please show you something very interesting and very important and very positive. I was told you that Bitcoin was in this symmetrical triangle, big symmetrical triangle, and how beautifully Bitcoin break this. Here you can see at that point Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle. Here you can see. Okay, now Bitcoin is up at $39,900. According to the pattern, our target will be like this. Let me please show you the symmetrical triangle pattern. Target is something near about $48,000. Bitcoin definitely can hit $48,000, and if I remove this and if I recalculate this, and if I calculate this from that big area, I'm sorry for that. If I calculate this from this area, in that case our target will be round about $49,000. You can say these are our targets: $40,600, $42,000, after that $46,000, $46,000, and after that $48,000 and $49,000. These are the targets. But according to the pattern, our target is 49,000. You can say 48,000 is also correct target, but very accurate target is $49,440. It will be the target of this symmetrical triangle. Here you can see. This was our first target. I was at yesterday. $39,900. Today's our first target is, let me please zoom this. Today's our first target will be $40,600, maybe $40,700, and our second target will be this zone, $40,000, maybe $40,700. And once Bitcoin break this, in that case definitely it will go up to hit again this strong resistance area, which is $45,000. But we have to focus on this level. Maybe it maybe it is a fake out, but you have to focus on this. Let me please show you. If Bitcoin, let me please show you. If Bitcoin hit this zone and pull back from this zone, in that with decent volume and with high volume, in that case this is not a fake out. In that case, this will be a to trade. We can enter in a long trade. This is not a financial advice. This is just my technical knowledge I am sharing with you. Let me please show you the volume. Let me please show you. Currently there is not very good volume. The volume is very low. We have to we must have these kinds of volume in this chart, otherwise this will be a fake out. Once this kind of volume towers occurs in this chart, in that case definitely it will be a good trade for us. Let me please arrange this chart again, and let me please show you. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Bitcoin break this overly EMA ribbon very successfully, and overly ribbon is at $38,200. Now Bitcoin is very far away, very above from this EMA ribbon, and now this EMA ribbon is turning as a strong spot. One thing remember, this area which was very strong resistance area, $37,900, is now turning as a very strong support zone for the Bitcoin right now. And let me please hide this, and let me please arrange this again. Let me please show you the VPVR. There are very good volume towers that are at $36,000 and $36,800 and $37,000, but there are very less volume towers of VPVR. That indicates that maybe Bitcoin can go more high. Bitcoin can move speedy way towards upside, and that is why this VPVR towers are showing this thing. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you the RSI. RSI of BTC is at 63, which is a good sign, and anything above 50 is a bullish, and it is near 70, which is very bullish. Once it crosses 70, in that case it will be very bullish, and in that case price of the Bitcoin definitely will go up in very speedy manner, in very speedy way. And please note on these targets. Let me please clear one thing which is very important. If this will be a fake out, in that case maybe price of the Bitcoin break this resistance area. And once Bitcoin break this and break $35,000 level, in that case over bearish target, let me please consider it. This is not gonna happen, but we have to consider it according to the pattern. In that case Bitcoin price can go down to $24,000. We have to be very careful, and we have to focus on this area, $37,900, $37,500 and $37,000. If Bitcoin break this towards downside, in that case this pattern this pattern will be a fake out. Otherwise this is gonna happen $49,000. Bitcoin can hit easily $49,000. Otherwise it can move sideways, and after that it will go down to hit $35,000 and maybe $24,000. All eyes are on this level, which is $37,900, $37,500 and $37,000. Once Bitcoin break this, in that case Bitcoin will go up. So once Bitcoin break this towards downside, in that case maybe Bitcoin can go down to hit 30,000 again, maybe 28,000, maybe 24,000. We have to consider it because this is a pattern. This is the pattern's target. We have to consider it. This is less likely, but it can happen. But this is the most likely scenario. $49,000 is our target. And this is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, if you like my technical analysis, in that case, friends, please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Please subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updated regular videos, because I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis video and I upload these videos on my channel. And thanks for the watching. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get this Binance Exchange, this link. This is the Binance Exchange link. If you want to collect some low price, low cap coins, in that case you have to open a KuCoin Exchange account. This is the link of KuCoin Exchange. And you can also open a Hotbit account, and you can also open a Bybit Exchange account. Links are in this video's description. Always keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. Bitcoin is ready to hit $40,000, friends. I think Bitcoin is very near to hit $40,000. Once Bitcoin break this 40,300, 40,500, our first target, $40,600. In that case, our target will be 40,000, 42,000, 42,700, and then $45,000, and then our target will be $49,000. These are the targets. Thank you very much, and always keep supporting me. Take care.